Good morning. This is Mike Johnson with the National Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee, and we're going to take a look at the severe weather potential for this afternoon, tonight, and early Saturday morning. So the first thing that I want to stress with this event is it's likely going to be an overnight severe weather event. So these tornadic overnight events are especially dangerous. Storms are hard to see. They're moving fast. So make sure that you have a NOAA weather radio working if you do own one. If you don't, make sure that you have a cell phone app that's capable of sending you push notifications. Keep your cell phone charged and make sure it's unmuted during the overnight period so that it will wake you up if a warning is issued for your area. Taking a look at the severe weather outlook for today, we have an enhanced risk across almost all of the Mid-South, except for the Tupelo to the south and east area of northeast Mississippi. And basically what we're looking at is the potential for scattered supercell thunderstorms to develop perhaps as early as late afternoon, but more likely during the mid-evening hours and continuing into the overnight period. So we're looking at 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. as the most likely time frame for severe weather, but it could start a few hours and go a few hours past that window of time. Again, with these supercell thunderstorms, the primary hazards that we're worried about are going to be damaging winds and tornadoes. Now, the environment is capable of supporting strong tornadoes with this setup. So should any of these supercells develop, we'll need to look out for the possibility of a long track tornado. Also, we're looking at the potential for some large hail and locally heavy rainfall, but those threats aren't as significant as the wind and tornado threat. Looking ahead to tomorrow morning, what's going to happen is this cold front's going to move through the area and push these storms to the south and east, generally clearing the Tupelo area sometime around mid-morning, and it should be out of Monroe County by noon, so should turn out to be a mostly dry day across the Mid-South, but it is going to be blustery behind this cold front. Changing gears a little bit from the severe weather, we're going to have strong southerly winds today and tonight. These are forecast wind gusts across the Mid-South. We're looking at 30 to perhaps as high as 40 miles per hour late this afternoon and tonight. So we may need a wind advisory at some point whenever it becomes clear what area is going to be the most likely to be affected. So in summary, what are we looking at? We have a potential for severe weather across all of the Mid-South, mainly this evening and overnight. Again, this is an enhanced risk level 3 out of 5. The possible severe weather hazards we're looking at, tornadoes. Again, some could be strong. Damaging wind, could be wind 60, 70 plus miles per hour. Large hail, that is quarter size or larger, and locally heavy rainfall. Again, the most likely time for severe weather is going to be between 9 p.m. and 3 a.m. So it's when most folks are going to be asleep. So make sure that you have a way to get those weather notifications pushed to your phone or your NOAA weather radio. These overnight severe weather events, especially those that contain tornadoes, are especially dangerous. So be sure and check back with the National Weather Service, and we will keep you updated.